In this video, we're talking about how you can maximize the amount of money that you're bringing in through passive income here on YouTube. Now, this video is going into affiliate marketing, but I'm not just gonna give you like a general overview of what affiliate marketing is. This is a strategy. It's not just saying, hey, throw links in your description. It doesn't work like that, but there is things that you can do so that you can earn more. And once you have all of this set up, it's super easy to change out links, fix broken links, and also just see what's working and what's not. All right, guys, let's get into it. So this video actually jumps off from another couple videos that I've done here on my channel. And I'm gonna include links down in the description, but one of them is just about what is affiliate marketing in general. So if you are new to the affiliate game, then I highly suggest checking out that video because it breaks down everything that you need to know about just what affiliate marketing is in general. Now, the second video is using Genius Link and Kit.com. These are two tools that I'm gonna be talking about throughout this video. And if you haven't heard about these tools, then I highly suggest checking out that video, which breaks down how those work and how you use them. So I've been doing affiliate marketing for a while on my channel. It's a great source of revenue stream. And once you set it up, it definitely is a passive income source. So here on this channel, I promote all different sorts of products that are geared towards creators. And consistently over the last couple of years, I'm bringing in $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 a month off of these affiliate links. And once they're set up, you really don't have to do much and they keep generating more income. And that's kind of the best part about affiliate marketing. And there's obviously things that you can do moving forward that's going to just boost this revenue stream even more. So when it comes to affiliate marketing, the world is huge. There are so many different things that you can promote on your channel that's going to bring in income. The issue is there's a lot of things that people do wrong when it comes to affiliate marketing. So one of the biggest mistakes that I think creators make starting out in affiliate marketing is getting associated with like one affiliate program. The big one that everyone goes towards is Amazon affiliates. And there's good reason for this. When you're part of an Amazon Associates, basically if somebody clicks on your link to an Amazon product, you're gonna get a commission for everything they buy on Amazon within the 24-hour cookie window. The issue is, if you're tied to one affiliate program, if they change that program in any way, then you're screwed. And this is actually what just happened on Amazon. They dropped their commission rates for a ton of products, and so people are now making a fraction of what they used to off of their affiliate links. So the biggest thing that you need to think about when you get into affiliate marketing is find all of the companies that are associated with the products that you use and get affiliated with all of them. So I have a massive list of all the companies I work with, and I've been doing this for the last couple of years. So Amazon obviously is great. B&H is a great one for camera people as well. Same with Adorama. These are big kind of like box retailers, I would say. They're the ones that have tons of products on their site. So if you send them there, there's a good chance that someone's gonna look around and maybe buy something else. Now, for people that are in this camera space, there is a new option on the market. It's Moment. You think they just did like the iPhone gear, but actually they've become a retailer for tons of products. And their percentages are much higher than these other companies. So I'm actually starting to switch a lot of my links now over to Moment because of the percentage increase. And this is something I'm going to discuss as we get deeper into this video. You need to be able to change out your links. But beyond these companies that sell a ton of products, you also have to think about the little guys, the individual companies. So for example, this slider that I'm using right now is from Rhino. It's the Rhino Arc 2. And I'm signed up with their specific affiliate program for their company. So if you go down in my description, you'll find a link for this product and it goes to their website. And the reason that you'd want to use these individual companies is you might get a better commission if you go directly to the company versus going to a retailer. So there's three things that you should look at when you're looking at affiliate programs. So how much of the sale are you getting when somebody makes a purchase on that product? Number two is the cookie window. So there's a period of time that if someone uses your affiliate link and goes to the website and makes a purchase, that you will get a commission from that sale. A lot of times they're 24 hours, that's pretty standard. But there are programs out there that sometimes open that window up even more. And if an individual company has a longer period for a cookie window, then I might suggest you go use that company versus the big retailer because people don't make purchases immediately. Sometimes it takes 2-3 days before they're like, oh yeah, I actually do want to make that purchase of that product. And the third thing you want to think about is individual sales versus reoccurring sales. So some affiliate programs will offer you commission every month that someone is a member of their site or a member of using their service. TubeBuddy is one of these, and this is a product that I use all the time. but it's great for an affiliate because you are consistently getting commission every month that someone is a member and they signed up through your affiliate link. Reoccurring revenue in these affiliate programs is huge because as soon as someone signs up, you're now making money every month and you don't have to get a new sale. It's that same sale just happening again and again. So finding these reoccurring affiliate programs, if they fit within what you're doing, is really going to help you bring more passive income in because it's less work as soon as you make the sale. That person just needs to stay a member and you're gonna be continuing to make money. So let's talk about some tools that's really gonna help you with affiliate links. The first is Genius Link. So with Genius Link, what I'm able to do is track the health of all of my links. So yes, you can do things like choice pages and you can swap out links, but finding the health of your links is huge. I actually just did a big audit on my channel. I went through all 600-ish videos on my channel and looked at every link in the description. I painstakingly did this for like 3 days straight because I really wanted to look and find broken links and then switch everything out for a Genius Link. When you go into your Genius Link dashboard, if a link stopped working, it pops up. It's a notification. So you can see immediately, oh, this link stopped working and it was on this video that I shot 2 years ago. I'll just go into Genius Link, swap out this link, and then all of a sudden it's working. I don't even have to touch my YouTube video. And because all of my links are housed within Genius Link, I can just search there for everything and do all my maintenance on Genius Link specifically, rather than going back into YouTube and going description by description. Now, the second tool that I use is TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy has this feature where you can mass change things in your descriptions. So if you need to completely swap out a link, or you just want to completely take out an affiliate program, you can use TubeBuddy and click one button and it goes through and finds that link, finds whatever text in all of your descriptions, and then swaps it out, deletes it, or you can add stuff. So if you have a new affiliate program and you want to add it to your entire library of 600 videos, you can do that using TubeBuddy. Now, there's a few things you have to do to set up TubeBuddy to be able to make this work properly. And this is one of the reasons why I went through my entire library of videos. You need to come up with a standardized description. And yes, there's going to be portions that are unique for every video, but you want to come up with a standard set of links that go under that so that when you use TubeBuddy, you can go down to that templated section, the section that's the same on every video, and make a change that affects everything rather than like having different descriptions per video. So let me just give you a quick rundown of how I optimize my descriptions. Number one is I put a description of what the video is, 2 to 3 sentences. This has my keywords in it. It helps me get these videos seen more because it ties into the title, it ties into the tags. It's just a good practice to be able to put 2 to 3 sentences that describes what your video is about. Now underneath that, I put links to other videos on my channel because the number one thing you want to do on your YouTube channel is get people to watch other videos on your channel. That's huge. We're talking about YouTube optimization here. You don't want people going off of the platform. However, to be able to do affiliate marketing, you do need people to jump off. So I always put the option to check out other videos first because I'd rather have people go video to video and help grow the channel in that way. However, I'm not gonna just eliminate all my affiliate links because that's a huge revenue stream. That's where I get a lot of passive income. So underneath where I have links to other videos, I'll put the affiliate links that directly relate to anything I'm talking about in this video. So for example, if I was doing a review of this slider, then I would put the affiliate link specifically for this slider right there before all the other stuff. And then underneath anything that ties directly to this video is my templated set of affiliate links. These are products that I use, services that I subscribe to, things that I actually use, and that's the key. It has to be things that you use. You have to be talking about products that you actually care about, that you actually use. Otherwise, why would someone purchase it? If you don't actually use the product, don't put it in your links. So the templated section is perfect to be able to just have a bunch of affiliate links. So if someone's like, hey, what kind of cameras do you shoot on to make your videos? It's there. You can go check them out. You can either go to my kit or you can go check my link and I have all the products that I use. And this is huge having this down there because you'd be surprised at how many purchases that you make. When I went through and changed out all my descriptions, I added a few affiliate links of products that I'm using now, and instantly I saw a huge boost in sales on all my old videos. Those videos aren't talking about these products, but they are products that I'm using consistently now, and just having the links in my description, I'm getting sales. And that's why affiliate marketing is so powerful to bring in passive income. So analyzing is super important because if you don't know what's happening, then you can't make data-driven decisions. And data-driven decisions is how you're gonna make more money off of your affiliate links. So what I do is once a month, I do this on the 1st. I sit down and I look at all of my affiliate programs and I track how much money I've made from each one. Now I use Google Sheets for this because it's super easy software to use. I just create a spreadsheet and I track month after month where my money is coming in from. Now this allows me to make decisions moving forward. So if I track over 6 months, I can look and see, okay, this affiliate program's making me money and this one's not. So if something's not making me money over time and I've been actively trying to promote it, I'm gonna drop it and move on to something else because it's obviously not resonating with my audience. And I've been able to find some pretty awesome affiliate programs that bring in a lot of revenue for my channel and that resonate well with the people who are watching, you guys. And so this is not something that's gonna happen overnight. You need to really watch your affiliate programs, have a ton of them, and start pinpointing which ones really work for your channel, and then doubling down on those affiliate programs and really making videos around those products because that's how you're gonna bring in more revenue to your channel. So there's one more thing that we have to talk about, and that is legal issues. Now, I'm not any sort of lawyer, legal counsel, anything like that, but there are issues when it comes to affiliate links in your descriptions. You could potentially get dropped out of affiliate programs based on the language that you use in your description. So I have a standard disclaimer in the bottom of my description. It says that I have affiliate links. There's no additional cost for you if you make a purchase through those affiliate links. And I also added a little something about Amazon Associates because they are a little bit more strict. Now I've seen different creators use words like support, like, hey, if you purchase through my links, you're helping fund my channel. You can't really use terminology like that because you can't incentivize someone to make a purchase through your affiliate links to support you. So you really want to make sure that you're not setting yourself up for failure. So I highly suggest going through each affiliate program that you're associated with and make sure that the language that you use in your description fits the affiliate program. And all programs have terms and conditions, and I highly suggest reading that legal document. I'm not telling you how to do it on here because every program's a little bit different, and you need to make sure that you go check the terms of how the affiliate program works and that you are abiding by the rules of that affiliate program. Now next, head over to this video right here where I dive into Genius Link and Kit.com so that you can really optimize these two tools to be able to bring in more income on your channel. I'll see you over there.